In the mystical land of Rockholm, legends whispered of a band destined for greatness, Jussi 70 et urokset. Jussi, a farmer poet, discovered a magical guitar, shimmering with power, waiting for its true master. He gathered a band of fearless musicians, the urokset, each with a unique, mystical instrument. In the heart of Rockholm, the band practiced their music itching through the valleys and awakening ancient spirits. But darkness loomed, the shadow lord of silence sought to drown their music in an eternal void. In an epic battle, Jussi 70 et urokset fought valiantly, their music a beacon of hope against the encroaching darkness. Triumphant, their music restored light and joy to Rockholm, inspiring legends for generations to come.
Ja toisitko laatikon ananaslonkero, en muuta pyydä. Tai ehkä torni ettani, mut se taitaa olla toinen tarina. Ananaslonkero, ei kai parempaa oo. Sopivan kirpeetä, ihanan makeeta.